Hey guys, welcome back. And today, I will be doing a unboxing plus gameplay. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and enjoy the video. I'm just going to do my first unboxing real quick. As you can see, I have 20,000 beach balls to spend. I have most of the weapons, but I need that godly. Let's see what I get. Hopefully it's good. Enjoy the video. Why not the pop art? First round. Who's sheriff? This round is taking forever.
2 hours later.
Finally, I found the gun. GG, that took forever. Time for the next round. I'm sheriff, let's go. I wonder who it is. She was lagging hard, but anyways GG. Since I won, hopefully I get lucky. Nick, why I was so close to retro. I have 10,000 left to spend. Yes, Mill Base, my favorite map. Yes, I'm murderer. I'm going to win this match for good luck. Time to kill everyone. Sorry guys. I hate when people have small avatars. It's almost impossible to kill them. For example, that guy. I don't know how that missed. Oh look, there's a speed glitcher, great. Speed glitching and still lost crazy. Oh, I guess that small avatar took the gun. I'm hitting some wild throws. I got the small avatar, GG. Time to unbox. Yes, I saw it. Bro, are you kidding me? Time for a quick assum. Yes, I got Sheriff. Nick is giving me good luck for my rolls today. Oh, it's my sister. She's pretty good at the game, but I'm better. Try it! I hear so much killing coming from over there.
2 hours later.
Finally, that took longer than expected. GG. Good luck, box. Next round. Even more speed glitchers, great. And I'm Sheriff. I just saved her life. Since I saved her life, hopefully, I get a reward. Why, Nick, just why me? Oh, my friend Junior is murderer. I'm just going to sit back and relax. Yes, I'm Murd, and let's forget about last match.
No! Please, please, please.
Murd is very laggy. I'm going to try and hit a crazy clip. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Peace.